Hello, welcome. Let's look at the solution to this beautiful equation. We have 16x to the power 3 equals to square root of minus 4. Find the value of x. Let's begin with the solution. Solution. Here we have 16x to the power 3 equals to minus 4 square root of minus 4, right? So here we have 16x to the power 3 equals to minus 4 is the same as 4 times minus 1, right? So here we have 16x to the power 3 equals to minus 4, square root of minus 4 will give us 2, minus 1. That's what we are going to get. So now, let's divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So divide both sides by 2. We have 16x to the power 3 equals to 2 root minus 1. So divide here by 2 and divide here by 2. So we have 8x to the power 3 equals to 2 cancel 2 square root of minus 1. Right. So now let's look at this. Note. Root minus 1 is equals to I. So if you have I square, you are going to get minus 1 squared. And the square will break this root. And that will give us what? Minus 1. So if you have I to the power 3, you are going to get I squared multiplied by I. Right. But we have found I to be equals to minus 1. So that means that we have I to the power 3 is equals to minus 1 multiplied by I. So that will give us negative I. So it means that I to the power 3 is equals to minus I. So now let's get back to the equation. We have 8x to the power 3 equals to square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So we have here as I. So let's group terms one side. So we have 8x to the power 3 minus I equals to 0. We can write this equation differently as this. We have 8x to the power 3 plus brackets open minus I equals to 0. Right. So, minus I is equals to I to the power 3. So in place of that, we have 8x to the power 3 plus minus I is equals to I to the power 3. You can see the identity here. So this is equals to 0. So now we can write this 8 as 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2, and that's same as 2 to the power 3. So here we will have 2 to the power 3 x to the power 3 plus I raised to the power 3 equals to 0. Good. So let's look at this rule. If you have a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m is equals to ab raised to the power m. So we are going to apply this rule. So here this can be written as 2x raised to the power 3 plus I raised to the power 3 equals to 0. Again, let's apply this identity. So we have here a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3 is equals to a plus b brackets open a square minus ab plus b squared. So we apply this. So here our a is equals to 2x and a b is equals to I. So this implies that if we expand this one, we are going to have 2x plus I multiplied by 2x squared minus 2x multiplied by I plus I squared, and this will be equals to 0. So here we still have 2x plus I multiplied by 2x squared will give us 4x squared minus 2xi. Remember, I squared is equals to minus 1. So we say minus 1 equals to 0. So let's apply the zero product rule. So this implies 2x plus 1 plus I is equals to 0, or 4x squared minus 2xi minus 1 is equals to 0. So here we have 2x equals to minus I. So divide here by 2, here 2 by 2. So get x equals to minus I over 2. So that is the first solution. Now let's come to this one. This one is a form of quadratic. So we apply this solution formula. So we have x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Here b is equal to the square root of x, that means the coefficient of x, and that will give us minus 2i, and c is equal to minus 1. So this implies that x is equals to minus 2i. Remember, the sign is already minus, so we have minus 2i plus or minus square root of minus 2i squared minus 4a, and the a is 4 times minus 1. All this divided by 2a, and a equals to 4. So this implies x is equals to minus is plus, so 2i plus or minus square root of minus 2i squared will give us 4i squared minus 4 times 1 minus 1 will give us plus 16 all over 8. This implies x is equals to 2i plus or minus square root of 4 times I square. I square is equals to minus 1. So that's 4 times minus 1 plus 16 divided by 8. Implies x is equals to 2i plus or minus 4 times minus 1 will give us minus 4 plus 16 divided by 8. This implies x is equals to 2i plus or minus 4 plus 16 will give us 12 divided by 8. This implies x is equals to 2i plus or minus, this is same as 12 is same as 4 times 3 divided by 8. So this implies x is equals to 2i plus or minus square root of 4 give us 2 root 3 all over 8. So it implies x is equals to 2 outside, we are factoring 2 out, so we have I plus or minus root 3 divided by 8. So let's divide through by 2, 2 here 1 and 2 here 4. So this will give us I plus or minus root 3 over 4. Set for the equation x1 equals to minus I over 2, or x2 which is equals to I minus I minus root 3 over 4 and x3, which equals to I plus root 3 over 4. So these are the set of equations. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.